Good morning, gents. Um, so keeping it simple, to be honest, here. We signed up for an eval and we're hoping to pass it. Yesterday we did not close greening it for the eval, so today we gotta make up the loss and hopefully pass it this week. The goal for it is this week to pass. Yeah. Let's see what happens here. All right. We'll talk about every trade we're taking. I won't be talking a lot much, but I won't be reading chat much if there's someone in the chat. Just a heads up. We're close to previous day POC, which is and at the value area low of the overnight. So that was the IB as well. So actually an IB. We're outside of value area. We're at that like literally here at that high volume node. We dipped into this. There's a good amount of volume in here. There's a good amount of trap delta down here. That's how the market usually does it. At the tops, you'll see like a bunch of deltas, green deltas, and then we'll reverse back down, buy it back down, and then reverse comes into these. That's what the market usually does. That's what I'm trying to understand better, to be honest, in here. Trying to understand how to use delta more properly. These live streams are not made to be teaching or any of that. These live streams are just to blog my trades, to be honest, and see how I can improve on them. Yeah. We'll recognize the setup. If the setup makes sense, we'll take it. Also got Bitcoin analysis in here. We did hit value area high and low. Let me see. I do have a group 2 in here. Hold on. Let me get a BTC chart for you out. See if we can put a. Hold on. Let's fix it real quick. What is it? About to be 9:30. We got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Watermark. What is the axis? I would really like to see a T-Rev of 180, 122. Let this one be a ladder profile. Imbalances, chart settings, imbalance of 400%. And I would like this to be yellow and this to be green, a little bit brighter. Let's put a stacked imbalance. Let's get a footprint. Get a D bar. See if we can read CVD. So we did fix a small chart real quick, but so let's see what we have here. We have volume delta. Let's figure this out. Oh, hold on. We need to fix the volume here. Hold on. Hold on. Synthetic volume. Gotta change the volume. We gotta switch it up to synthetic, but okay. There we go. See how we have an imbalance everywhere? Yeah, this Ponzi might not need a stacked imbalance, to be honest. On the T-ref chart, um, I would probably duplicate it and get a 5-minute out just to see what the market. Let's get a 5-minute out. And this is way too low of ticks. 20. Too high. I think I say 10 is better. I think 10 would do better. This is gonna take forever. Oh, we're gonna go to minute charts. Let's get a 5-minute. And we'll switch back up over here. Alright. We got this large delta here that we got rejected off. Getting rejected off of it one more time. Volatility is picking up for a downside, but what I really would like to see is probably hit this overnight. Well, I mean, yesterday NQ session, which was the previous day POC right here, and then continue back up. I mean, it's looking quite nice for that. Imbalance. Yeah, this doesn't look good. Hold on. Hold on. Really don't want to deal much with fixing charts right now. You see, we have a lot of longs in here. In 89. Is that an 89? Yeah, 89, 600. Damn, we hit the 90 today? Damn, it's 740. I didn't see that. We're at POC here. Looks like a really good up movement. Looks like we did take the long here, take 25 points. Well, I mean, not 25 points, 25 ticks. Looks like shorty here. Maybe test back previous day POC session VWAP as well. Yep, that's what they did. Test it out, build more delta. Looks like it's gonna reverse back down to these. See if we can test these. Because they're gonna take it down in here. It's looking a little bit toppy and top. Like there is not much of initiative in here. Compared to this, there's not initiative of buyers, so we're gonna continue down a little bit. Test these guys, probably, and these guys. Yeah, shorts are coming in heavy. Quite a little bit heavy. We can see accumulation of orders here as they're pushing up. There's a good amount of... Yeah, I mean, I have it on a high tick. I mean, like, considerably. A 4-tick chart, like a 4 ticks. You see more information at once. Like, you can tell there's a good amount of sellers, but, you know, they went up. Still left unfinished business up top here. There is still some in here. I don't like this chop, to be honest. I'm not willing to be part of it. So market is lacking directionality, and it's looking like it's a dump fest for sure. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin. Yep. See, we're still stuck in a range. Still stuck in a range above the previous day POC, which is something that I mentioned. Like, if we stay above it, we're might be looking bullish over here. Might be looking bullish. But so far, we're moving up. I mean, it's low delta. That's what's scaring me. Like, I want to put a long, but is it worth it? Yeah, damn. Yeah. It was worth it, but let's just keep watching. Look for an entry. Maybe at the stack imbalances on the 5 minutes, you know. Be nice to see. They're gonna test out maybe this one. I would expect 5792 back down to the session VWAP. 5792. Because that's considered a double top here on a 5-minute. Well, yeah, double top. Or maybe just trap more delta down and zoot it back up. Yeah, this doesn't look healthy for up. For just a little bit at the moment. They're getting weaker and weaker on top. Yeah. Let's get 791, 92. See if they get any orders spoofed. We're at the previous day POC. Let's see. Yeah. Zooting more down. There was actually like a... I know you guys can only see this part, but there's another part here. Maybe if I put it for you guys, maybe you guys can see it. Hold on. So you guys can't see this well. But if you guys want to keep this, let me know in the comments. But this is pretty much how my screen looks like. Really like this trap delta down here. Really do. We get above this, get above the session VWAP. I don't mean no likey. There's a lot of shorts coming in. Yep, heavy. They're gonna push. Oh boy. Yeah, it's just a bunch of sellers down here. Just a bunch of sellers. There's not buyers, yo. The buyers were appearing down here. Like, below this. So... let's look for them, you know? We're below previous day POC. We're just in a range, tight range at the moment. I mean, 7-8 sounds like a good, decent, like I would say maybe like 7-7-8, 7-7-8, 7-7-8 would look for a long. That's the single prints from overnight. Got a lot of single prints up top. Yeah, we cannot go back to these guys, so we pretty much tested this heavy delta. Yeah. We tested this area down here that was here. This was a pretty good test. Missed because I'm busy looking at chats. Oh, I've been looking at a nice push up. Because they trap it. Yeah, they're pushing really, really, really heavy. They're pushing really heavy. Pushing really heavy. So there's a heavy delta here. Negative delta here. I don't. It goes at the right time. We'll see what happens. You know, we caught it from like around here till when we saw these large orders. We saw these large orders here. Where did they go? Yeah, so we entered around this area, and that's where we entered the 800, and we dragged it all the way up till here. I mean, we closed around here. 335, not bad at all. We're 440 in a day, so we got $800 more to make to get to 50K on the eval account. And we have to make 3K, so not bad, not bad. I mean, yesterday was a little bit of a nightmare, so that's what happened. We'll show my P&L at the end. It's crazy though. So what I'm buying is the 816 here. Also overnight POC. 5825. That would be my initial TP. I was hoping for this, which also previous month low and previous week low, that was a great support we saw from there. Because, well, I don't know, great support, but well, I mean, technically, yes, we got a good amount of resistance in here. Also, don't forget that you get the range low close to it. So, should have flipped short here because it was looking heavy. That delta here in this candle is just absolutely hectic. So, if we couldn't take it out, we should go with it. But, I mean, it was just talking about PAs. So, it's just lock back in, lock back in, lock back in. And if my sound doesn't sound good, let me know. So we went back and tested. I'm pretty sure that 700, this area here. I need to mark this area here. Yeah, you see, we got close to it. This is close enough to me. Because you literally got to the 850, 801. So you're basically $1 away from it. If they don't initiate to kind of save their asses. As you can see, the book is getting thicker and thicker, but it's thicker on the upper side. So these guys want to defend their delta that they spent in here. And these guys over here want to defend it no matter what it is, because look how heavy is this delta, 14K in volume. That's literally the highest we've seen. This candle right here, this 5-minute candle, this 1-minute candle, literally suppresses the whole thing. Here, I'll mark it so we can see it, because it's very important to me, this candle. If we're taking out, we might be looking at a more zooting down. So far they've been defending well. Like as you can see here, CVD is starting to pick up when we came back down. Like, okay, yes, you do get some heavy shorts. Now we're at that position. See if they come and initiate, save their. But the money, they're about to dump them. Oh boy, I don't know. I get excited when I see red candles. Yeah, this candle got taken out. Good luck, my guy. Goodbye. Sayonara. I dumped his ass. You know, I got a copyright streak the other day on the other stream. But let's see if they test this area because I think that's what they're looking to test in. This area right here. See what they do with it. So it's like 791. See, we got a last stack imbalance. Really want to see because that's like the. I want to say this is like the biggest delta since we opened here, the positive delta. I mean, 935. But these are sticking out because they did not have anything against them. So basically, they were pure orders. I'd like to see how they were defended. And there's like a heavy delta here that is trapped, negative. See if they go back and test it. 2 more minutes for another 5 minutes. Then we got 10 minutes for the first 30. Means initial balance done will be done in 10 minutes and 12 minutes. See what happens here. 791. Yeah, these guys are. Yeah, not bad. See, I don't take these scalps like that because I mean, they're good. They're really good. Sometimes they fail because so we're so far in a. I want to say we're not in a we're not in a trading market. We're more going from initiative to initiative. We're not trending yet. So we've been just going from one side to another. So like from one initiative to another. So we started at the bottom, we went high, and we go back to the bottom. So literally back where we started, which is previous day POC. As you guys can see, we opened right here. So we're not far away from open. We're about $2 out. And technically hit the overnight session VWAP. This was a nice actually entry. If that's nice because we dipped right below the daily and then just we took the session and then the 5800. Yeah, too many confluences here. The 503 got 1000 shorts. Yeah, that guy is spoofing. 503 smoking. He wants that fucking candle to hold. Yeah. So we're looking at these guys, 503. These guys, they want to keep the fucking longs that they trapped in here. Trapped to the 503 if we look back into it here. I mean, yes, you do have a good amount of shorts, but I mean, let's see. Let's see if that order goes in as a full because he just split them in here. So let's just keep an eye, you know? It'll be pretty sure. Yeah, they're hunting for this guy up here. 5803. He's starting to move his orders a little bit lower. Yep. That positive delta is a little bit concerning, to be honest. This positive delta, this whole area here. We're at that POC right here. Of that large order, the 705. So they're defending it. They don't want that to go up because he's pushing at this point. Yep. Orders are coming in heavy. Yeah, they got absorbed. Looks like, no, they're fighting back. They're fighting back. Yep. No, they're fighting back. Fighting back, but no, that seller was hot. That was a nice, like, little action to see. Nice short it would have taken, but we did see a sign of absorption here in the footprint. It was beautiful to see. They did absorb them. They did try to push that absorption out, but they couldn't. They just got absorbed even further. So 2 heavy deltas. Look for short entry. Put an FPR here, profile. I'd like a 789. If I get it, I'll enter. But that's going to be a little bit tough. Yeah. Let's see. Let's keep an eye. Yeah, no, dude, we're not getting 789. Position VWAP was the only entry was given. It's okay though. GG's. Got 5 more minutes. Well, 6 more minutes for the next 30 minutes. Should see some volatility towards the close. What do we? 88. That heavy delta here should have took a short on it from 89. Been a nice small scalp, but let's back over. Previous day POC got rejected from it. Got these stacked imbalances. Got a small print up top. Lining up POCs, maybe get tested one more time. Maybe it was given it a second entry. Let's see. POC is actually lower. Interesting, fam. Got a heavy delta. I'd like this area to be tested. The 9-4. Heavy delta. Boy. Them boys were pushing. Should have looked at the delta chart when we were over here. Saw that negative delta. We should have just went with them. GG's though. Game. Good game. Yeah, Dumperoni. Sausage-roni. We collected single prints at the bottom here so far. This 1 minute chart. This is not a good low. I don't like this low. Give me something like this. I'd mess around with this. I'd actually like this. If it stays like that. I don't like this. We're gonna continue lower. It's literally an unfinished business low. All right. Yeah, this looks like a decent. No. Not a big fan of the low, to be honest, but could be the greatest. And then it's just not my low to enter in. They took this guy out. But you see, these guys are shorting heavy. I don't like that. I want to enter along, but like this area is good overall, but I don't want to touch it. I don't know. I just these two shorts, something about them, and the CVD is just trending lower and lower. Not enjoying that. I mean, it's going higher and higher at the same time, lower and lower, but like, look, it's just a. I think it's a dumperoon, but it's a pamperoon. It's like an uncertainty phase. Deadass. Nah, but it's looking like let's say let's see what happens if we swing below this. That's what I want to see. I want to see a swing below this. Probably test these imbalances, and you see the fuck is that? They said fuck around and find out. Volatility went through the roof. Oh. I honestly don't touch this until it calms down. I just watch what they do because that's how you lose money. You turn on the casino and it's not a good time to be touching, you know? Step the fuck away, you know? Type of thing. Not gonna be in it. I don't touch this PA till it calms down. Yeah, I gotta give it a couple minutes. What happened to BC? Oh, they're hammed and them damned. They pulled the old card of switcheroo on them. Stupid volatility for no reason. There's still much more to do, and go back to group one. That's where we at. Did it calm down? Did you get that thing oiled? Did you get that thing oiled down? Unfinished business here. This is not a good high. This was a good one, actually. Concentration got 2 sixes. Where are third tricks? Oh no, it's 3 6s, 6 6 6. That's fucked. The devil drop. Ah! Pain is for you, daddy. So he's saying that there's a buddy of mine saying that Trump is yapping outside. Let's look at the yapper and see what he's yapping. Let's take a look at the yapper. Is it yapping? Crazy. Isn't it today? Oh, 10:30. No, that was 9:30. Oh, that was PMI. 10 o'clock, that was PMI. Okay, yeah, it was. Not gonna lie, this is gonna sound bad to say, but ES is starting to look like Bitcoin. Like, I know there's correlation. I know a lot of you are gonna yap right now and a yapathon gonna start. No, there is a correlation. I agree. But the volume was much better in ES before than it's now. Now it's just chop. Just shit show. See this kind of trading back there. Okay, so for all the volatility, see we're trading normal. I mean, one of the same kind of speed, but just the volatility is just much higher. I don't enjoy it. To this out of nowhere, I don't. Yeah, you see, this is what I. If this candle completely absorbs this candle, we're gonna head down really bad. I really hope not. This will be a bearish engulfing candle if it closes all the way down. It will be a bearish engulfing candle, and this shit is not gonna be pretty after that. Because I remember yesterday when we had a bearish engulfing, I mean a bullish engulfing, yesterday, and I still remember it. I had a bullish engulfing candle. That shit was just nasty. Yeah, I think it was this one. No, no, that's not it. Yeah, it looks like a literally a bearish engulfing candles right now. On a where did it go? Yesterday was a perfect example of it. I think it was this one. No, it's not. I don't know. Let's just get back to charts. Really don't want to keep looking back, but see, this is a lower CVD, and this no, it's just gonna shit to bed in a minute. To be honest, go a little bit range 14. We get a little bit less of a. We don't follow up with this candle. I mean, like we got small print, small print. I mean, it can't get clearer than that for a short, but is it asking you to tell you to short? Because we got 2, 3 single prints at the bottom, those small prints, a large print at the bottom. It would lean more longs than shorts, but shorts too gets. That's why when I'm trying to learn the DOM, man, it can be so helpful. We're still dumping. Bearish engulfing. Wow. It's a bullish. Structure's weird, led. It's been just chopped. We're back where we were. Previous day POC, ladies and gentlemen. Been just in a range. Didn't do much. Ranging market, ladies and gentlemen. Been wanting to short this Bitcoin, but the leapfrog. Leapfrog is. I've been listening to this music, chat. I know I'm gonna get a strike, but might as well just let you enjoy it. We're we're gonna lower the volume of it a little bit. Really chill, really chill. I don't want to get another strike though. So out here striking. Got a nice heavy delta here, posing positive. We might bounce actually a little bit. If the books get a little bit more thicker on the buyer side, I would say yes, but the thickness is all on the sellers. So I would say we did swing low here. This low has been taken out. We retested it. So the market might be gravitating towards this. Market might be gravitating towards this, to be honest. This doji candle right here. Let's see if they even tap this too. I'd say this too. Because this is like kind of before the break. 784. Because that's where they put in all of their orders. So this area here, the 784 to the 70. It'd be interesting to see. Really. Because if this was actually the bullish momentum that they wanted to push. See, we came in down to it here. We got stacked imbalances here, so this. See that's exactly what I've been talking about. I want to jump in for a long, but I don't know, yeah. We're breaking this level, nice. So go to the doji, nice. Hit it, keep going. Are we gonna have a double bottom on the doji? Because we're at the body of it. The market was gravitating towards. Be very interesting. Yeah. Huh. I do like this. I do like this very much, actually. Oh, damn it. Okay. So, I usually, when I start looking for entries or a reaction off a level, guess you did get some imbalance in buyers, aggressive buyers, pretty much. But this candle stuck out to me the most. So, when I saw this, I was like, okay, there's aggressive buyers. I mean, they're defending this area. Let's go with it. But we're late to it, so that's okay. Can't always get everything you can from the market. Went up $10, which is not bad at all. 40 ticks. Nice. Not bad of an analysis on candlesticks. See, maybe they'll reject off of the 791. To be honest, and there's like a couple dojis in there. Okay. At the 791, where they try to break above the 793, they did not. Then we have the deltas, the negative ones that are heavy. Might come back and defend it, and it will be just going from an initiative to an. This is actually a perfect example of a V and order flow. This is actually a perfect example. See the highest volume here at the bottom, the highest delta. No, maybe not delta. It did get rejected. 793. Our analysis is actually sticking pretty good. It's just executing the trades. I just get a. It's really afraid sometimes. I don't know. Weird to say it online. Speak it out to the universe. Yeah. The fear of making a mistake. I'm trying to pass an eval. I would really like this to be hit fully. I'd like this to be tested. These guys over here. Really like that. I mean, you can say technically it's this here rotation, this rotation here. Nice. But as I said, I still would like the bottom core of it tested with these stacked imbalances. And I mean, it could have been in. It's literally what I would trade is like $4 or $2. I would take 4 or 5 points. It's like there's an absorption gonna happen here for the Bears. Unless they push it even harder. That book is looking thick on the Bears side. Thick as hell. Boys are thick. Uh-huh. See, the problem with these candles, when they just wick them like this, sometimes they just die. Just liquidity. That's all it is. Stops. Algorithm hunting for stops. Not real orders. Oh. Doesn't mean that you see one of these, like, quick quicks, you need to go with it. No. These are detrimental. These are the worst candles to follow. You want the market to settle in before it gets volatile. Damn, PI yesterday I longed yesterday PI from 175. If I held my long though. Have to broke that. Break it. No double bottoms on this one. Or double bottoms. Really don't like double bottoms. much. Not a double bottom fan. Every time I entered there, always failed. Always failed on me for some reason. I gotta lie. I have these two red candles that we need to get over. You know, I know this is just for journey, but journaling it. But it's cool to go through these emotions. Really cool. Fear, then you go through strength. You feel like you can take over the world sometimes. Some days you're just afraid. I like those days because it makes me wiser. Pick a wiser decision. Pick a wiser trade. Do I really want that trade? No. Not necessary. Not necessary. Yes, the market is ranging in a beautiful range, but I'm not interested. Overall structure is looking like a dump on a hot potato day. Also, we got 10:30. We got reports coming out in a second. Crude oil inventories 3.6 negative. Okay, yeah, we're dumping. 3 million over in use. I'll be looking to long it here, actually. I'm liking this setup a little bit here. If things line up well with me, because I like this candle a lot. I take it? Will I take it? Will I take it? Will I take it? I'm not gonna take it. No, we're not gonna take it. One of my favorite setups. All two in a row. POCs lined up. Higher delta gradually going up. This is actually a nice, decent trade from here. 581 to 587. $5. Not bad. My usual TP is about 20-25, so all I need is 2 points, technically, but gotta go for more. A little more greedy. Oh, not bad. Decent, decent. Good setup over here. This was a nice setup. I like this is one of my favorite setups. My favorite. Usually happens like once a day. Like usually like two POCs lined up. Doesn't matter, but it's just you need to be increasing delta going up. There's into. I mean, there's more delta up to push, and we just hit the same line, red line. Previous day POC, same high as this. Darn it. They set it up in a nice way where it did not have anything. uh, it was just nice to see the market do things like that. You know, my biggest concern was the 784, and they got here, but you see how like it got thin, but then they picked it back up. That was my main concern. 81 to 84, we're safe. Not safe, but a higher probability, cheaper trade per se. So oil is out. Yeah. After this, we don't have anything. Just keep grinding. Grinding. Look for setups. Take the setup. You know. Look at 5 minutes. We're staying below Okay, this is crazy. An aviation this fucking wide and overnight is wild. Alright. Be nice to IBL long. Short IBH. We're in the middle of the range. Okay. We peekaboo the bottom a little bit. Cold over here. Previous day POC retest. Might be possible to take a short in here. Yeah. Weekly tab. Swap. Okay. 25. This is not bad. Oh. This came in. No weekly VWAP, sorry. Just checking some emails for a bit. See if I mean, is this daily or weekly? Hold on. This is daily. Yeah. Daily charts. Daily this oh, session, week, daily, and there's the above. Yeah, this is session. This is just session view up. This is going up probably down to this. An uncertainty area, but I mean, okay, technically they're looking for an absorption. I mean, let's take a look at it here. So any push up, it'll definitely be absorbed in here, in my opinion. Look at the 4 hours. Like it's looking like a deldo up, literally a deldo up, and it's just been nuking. So they have literally an absorption because it's literally on a higher time frame. It's literally planning an absorption. 1 second, folks. Easy as on me. Allah tabi. Okay. Time to get short, ladies and gentlemen. They trapped him? No way. No way, Vato. Come on. Hey, this guy got wicked into the fucking orders. You think he's gonna leave it alone? No. Vato took it down. The downtown. Downtown. uh, but ladies and gentlemen, I think I'll be ending the stream here for the day. Been a pleasure with everyone. Now stay safe, okay? Stream for about like an hour and 26 minutes. Gonna do some things with the fam. Then gonna continue studying. Yeah, stay safe and keep trading safely. Don't risk it. Not worth it. Just take your time with your trades. See you later, folks.